All right, noonish, Denver time. January 31, 2017, quick rundown. Japanese yen poked its head through here, came back in. All right, remember we have FOMC on Wednesday. Okay, so we hit some poke through and then come back. That's what we're looking through right now to see how much pokey poke has been going on. Crude oil traded higher. Remember we talked about that this morning, a little bit of uncomfortableness over 54. Came up short, not so uncomfortable now. Range is narrowing here. We had a $2 range from 52 to 54. It's beginning to narrow. Another inside day. We have EIA on Wednesday too. Dollar came through. That's what we're looking for. Run on gold in that. Came back. Make sure you have your reversals in here if it comes back through. Remember, rate hike on the front end. All right, yes, like I said this morning, treating this as a failed breakout. Now, came back into the meaty area, and it's kind of holding in there. All right, so intraday so far, we're looking at, we're back down to the happy place here. So what do we have? Late day short covering rally. Bugaboos. What are we at, 68? All right, does that work? No, it doesn't. All right, so I need an alarm up here. An alert. The way I just walked down here, I'm thinking it's going to be some short covering up to 70. We're at 64, maybe 10 higher on the short covering. Gold came up and stalled here. You're going to need to get on, kick it through the door. Keep knocking on the door. You got to kick it. Got to kick it. Make sure you have your stops back here. If we come back through, what did I say, 92 this morning or so, then run to the hills here. Trying to get this bugger through. We're trying to slide the dollar. The timing's going to be kind of tight there because of FOMC. Euro dollars, short covering rally on here. Money flow is beginning to kick in. This ADX is from on the downside. So that should be rolling over here. But they're running to. Copper poked its little head through, said that I'm treating it as a dollar related. Dollar comes off, copper pokes its head up. Heating up higher and came back, so definitely good for working on holding on to the oil, the short oil. And the products just do a little short covering. All right. Coffee, whoopsie daisy. Remember on the weekly here, that's how we're leaning on the thing. Pretty good there. See about a reversal across the upside. 2-hour chart. What do we have? Ooh, a couple of the green support levels, and it's at the happy place. Have to run to the hill here if 140, 148, 147 is taken out. And pretty good here. All right. I always setting alarms in between tuning my guitar. All right, natty gas came down. We're going to have to start swimming with the fishes here. This is good. Unbalanced or money flow is coming out of it. ADX is turning up. We want to see it come through, don't we? We're trying to add fresh longs on here. ADX on a daily. Pull back to there. So we're shooting for, actually I'd like to see it underneath here. 255 in that, but remember we're looking at deferred contracts, so I'm probably going to get into this area. 290 on like September forward. September, October, November 2017. Nikkei. All right, so the Nikkei. Oh, you bugger. Probably bounce up to there. We'll flatten out. It's looking for a 1,200 or 1,000 point drop. I'll have to see if it'll give it to me up here. See if we get a late day rally here with American stuff. Splanky. That's a pretty good move there on the NASDAQ. Here's the happy place, so it needs to come down just a a wee bit further, another 200 lower here, intraday. All right, here's the happy place. So we need, what was it, 50-50. What's this? We need to crack 50-60. This is just walking through. This looks like it's just going to swipe. ADX is picking up, though. We have the RSI coming through, so on the 2-hour chart. Short term, it's oversold, as they say. Oh, I'd like to see this come down harder here into this area. Treat it like a retest, just like with ES. Oh, they ran into gasoline. I wonder if they get caught here. If they get caught, then gas is going to head back down to 148 or so. Take a look at the old 2-hour here. Pull back into a happy place down here, probably. Let's see if they find some support. What is that? 153. Sugar is kind of holding on in there. Well, that's one thing about sideways. We're going to get something to happen here. It says 2069. Reversal here. I'm treating sugar as sideways, but then on the weekly, though, remember that just like with coffee, 5-wave up, pullback, possibility of a C wave down here. So head games, silver moved through, money's coming in, and ADX is turning up. So if you're in it, stay in it. What do we have? 19 bucks. What's that? 18.11. So we're trying to hold on, right, for gold to move another, what? Well, it first has to get through, but another 35 higher. Russell looks to be the weakest one of the bunch here. Money coming out of it. Watch Russell for a short, any short covered rally today. It's at 1360. All right. We're still looking for blankety blank right here. C wave, AB C wave, and then an area to short down here. This is ultra bonds. We had somewhat of a symmetrical triangle working off of here on the VIX. The trigger will be like under 16 here. You can kind of walk this one up here for right now. So Europe, 3 days in a row down. Okay, here's this guy. Oh, or gal. Oh, that's too bad. Come on, baby. Sell off. Stupid Dow. 2-hour. What are we looking for here? Yeah, there it is, an RSI. 19.8, 19.8, 27 or something in that area. Self-explanatory. What's this up here? All right, the old bounce. I think that's why I kind of put this thing together here. See if it plays out. Like I said, you know, the whole fading overhead. What do we have? Apple. Bonds, right? C wave through here. This is what we're looking for, through 155 and 4. We're looking for a C wave above here, like 158 area, 57, 58. Corn came back up, happy place, blah, blah, blah. Sell corn under this thing here, under 330. Sell it to like 280. Same thing. Swing up in here. This is 5s. Oil came down to a happy place, back up to whatever. If you're looking for somewhere to short up in here on bean oil, same thing. Notes you're looking for. What's that say? 120, 25, 24, 125, 24. We want to swing higher here, C wave higher. Qs, go someplace else. Gasoline, right? Heating oil. Oh, you little bugger. Cocoa came back. So it did hit off of here, so we need one more reversal. All right, where are we at? So do we add? Sure, of course we add. We add some more cocoa down here. All right, so add cocoa. Here's beans. Come on, beans. Money flow is beginning to come out. Get you guys to wash out down here. Looking for much lower in beans, under 850. November 17 beans. 2, same thing. You're looking for a C swing on here. C swing higher wheat. Money flow, maybe sideways down into here. So we're back down to this game. I'd like to establish a position under $4. Okay, trying to short this one here and Kiwi more than Aussie. Pounds, you want to buy pounds on the dip. Treat it as sideways. Definitely in here in the CAD. Whack the CAD, I'd have to say, with the money flow. What we're looking for, 40 pips, 40 points here lower, back into the meaty area here. Happy place. The bell curve. Euros, looking for 109. What's this down here? 107.5. Should be interesting. What? 48 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. A little bugger. Me blankety splank. All right, and the yen, we're back to square one. I'd like to see the yen continue. I'd like to see equities roll over. But what we're looking for here is it looks like we're going to try and see if we get some short covering from down here on stocks for right now. So that's that. Russell, Dow. Yeah, a little bit more down here, 50-50 I said. All right. Okay, there you have it. Rock and roll. Oh yeah, Apple. Oh, 120, huh? Like to see 126, right? Like to see this meaty area up in here for the 126 after hours thing. You know, comes through and then reverses, and comes on down to where we have 95. I think I said 93 or something. I have. What's this down here? 76. Short Apple to 76. Cool. All right, everybody, rock and roll. Oh, okay, so hold on a second here. Oh, Facebook to 80. What's this here? All right, gotta go to my G string. Take care, everyone. See you after the close in a couple hours for Apple's earnings. Bye-bye.